What sets Nikola apart and where I see the great opportunity with this company is fuel cell trucking. What is going on, guys? I hope you are having a fantastic day, and today we're going to be talking Nikola Motors. Some of you may or may not be familiar with it. It is a new company that was part of a joint venture that was listed on the NASDAQ in early June and has been on an absolute tear. It has gone from $10 a share, spiked all the way up to around $90, and now it has pulled back to $30 just because, you know, your typical IPO sell-offs. But Nikola, do not be fooled. Even though the price is trending low, I think there are a lot of super positive things and reasons to be excited about this company, and I personally think it could be the next Tesla. So first thing is understanding why Nikola is so different from Tesla and why they really do have an opportunity to have a big foothold in the trucking market. So Tesla has really been invested in consumers like you and me and just cars in electric vehicles, and now they're pushing the Cybertruck, right? And they do have the big semi-truck, but it is battery powered only. What sets Nikola apart and where I see the great opportunity with this company is fuel cell trucking. Their target audience is long freight, long trucking, overnight trucking, and it is fuel cell. So what that means is it's hydrogen powered in combination with battery, so zero emissions, totally green. So Nikola is really targeting one consumer audience right now, and that is the trucking industry, which to this point has been completely dominated by diesel trucks, and even Tesla has not been able to really crack the code, if you will, and getting into that industry. But Nikola, interestingly enough, has 10 billion in pre-order sales, and some of the partners that they have are Anheuser-Busch for 800 trucks. Now, if you look at these trucks, these are beasts. Nikola 1, Nikola 2, Nikola Tre, and then the Nikola Badger, which is for you and me, just your everyday pickup truck, which they've put in pre-orders for, and it starts anywhere from $60,000 to $80,000. And it is, I mean, when you look at this compared to the Tesla stuff, it is sexy. This is an awesome looking truck, but we're not really talking about the Badger today. We're gonna be talking about the opportunity in the long distance freight hauling. What they're trying to do is integrate on, not only do you buy the truck, but included with the purchase price of the truck, you essentially get fuel for free for the rest of the life of that truck. So for 10 years or 7 years or however long you have that truck, they are going to give you the hydrogen to essentially power and take you where you need to go. Now, one thing that is awesome about hydrogen is it is way lighter and requires a lot less weight. And if you guys know anything about trucking, weight is everything. You can only have so much in a tractor trailer. So if you can cut down on the weight of the fuel cell or the battery or any alternative energy that is pulling it aside from diesel or like gasoline or anything like that, you're gonna be saving money and essentially room and more things you can haul. So I mentioned why that 10 billion in pre-orders is such a number that you need to take note of. Is right now the market capitalization for Nikola is $10 billion. Okay, if you compare the market cap for Nikola Motors to the market cap of Tesla, which is $266 billion, there is tremendous opportunity to invest in this company. So they're probably 2 to 3 years away from production. So I think kind of the hype, if you will, behind this company it's reached its peak. It's kind of trailing off right now. And until the producer or the consumer, if you will, sees these products roll out off the assembly line, and companies like Anheuser-Busch are finally, you know, completing and fulfilling their purchase orders, that is when the hype is going to reignite for this company, and I think you're going to see it take off like Tesla did. And if you know anything about Tesla, it took a while for it to take off. Now is when you get in, and if you are looking for the next company to be the next Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, all these companies had to start somewhere. I think at the current market cap is a great opportunity. And as a disclaimer, I do own Nikola shares. I bought a few different rounds. I bought shares at $19, $36, and $66. So right now, with the amount and quantity that I have, I'm pretty much even on my investment, but I am not selling. I'm not thinking about selling, because 10 billion in pre-orders compared to 10 billion market cap, I'm not even thinking about it. So Nikola World, where they're unveiling the Badger, this is way nicer than the Cybertruck. If you're thinking alternative energy, no gas, no diesel, I don't think you're going with the Tesla Cybertruck. You're going with the Nikola Badger. This thing is legit. And when they unveil this in December, I think people are gonna go nuts. Stock is gonna be reignited and you're gonna see a buying frenzy. And guys, before we go, today in history, August 2nd, 1776. This is good stuff. Continental Congress, having decided unanimously to make the Declaration of Independence, affixes the signatures of the other delegates to the document. So, pretty big day in history, if you ask me. 1776. Thank you so much, guys, for watching all the way to the end and getting that little nugget of knowledge. I will see you tomorrow, and have a great day.